Is it the right time to buy or sell Apple stock? In this video, we'll be delving deep into Apple. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, January 25, 2024. Today, we'll provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Be sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You wouldn't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Take your trading decisions to the next level with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. As of January 19, 2024, our system has identified Apple as a buy candidate, with a score of 1.59. Now, let's delve into the stock's performance during this period. Over this time frame, the stock has shown a gain of 1.36%. This means that on average, it has delivered a daily return of 0.27% since being identified as a buy candidate. The stock is currently experiencing a wide and weak rising trend in the short term, indicating the potential for further growth within this trend. Based on the 3-month trend, there is a projected 6.71% change over the next 3 months. The potential return within this period ranges from -1.24% to 11.99%. Looking at the 12-month trend, there is a predicted 23.24% change over the next year. The potential return within this period ranges from 11.83% to 28.36%. This would result in a price range of $217.15 to $249.23 after 1 year. Our latest update for Apple brings you the headline, Red Day on Thursday for Apple. On Thursday, January 25, 2024, the price of Apple stock dropped by 0.17%, falling from $194.50 to $194.17. Throughout the trading day, the stock fluctuated between a low of $193.12 and a high of $196.27, a difference of 1.63%. Over the past 2 weeks, there has been a 4.29% overall gain in the stock price, although it has been experiencing ups and downs. The volume of shares traded increased by 1 million on the last day, despite the falling prices. This could be seen as an early warning sign, leading to a slight increase in risk over the next few days. In total, approximately 54 million shares were bought and sold, amounting to around $10.57 billion. Looking back at the past 52 weeks, the highest price the stock reached was $199.62, while the lowest was $141.32. Currently, the stock is 2.73% or $5.45 below its 52-week high, and 14.93% or $34.09 below its all-time high on August 30, 2018, when it reached $228.26. Analyst ratings. Bank of America Securities recently upgraded Apple with a buy grade. Bank of America Securities also upgraded Apple, but this time with a negative grade. On a different note, Bank of America Securities gave Apple a neutral grade with a hold action. Back in December, Wedbush rated Apple as outperform with a hold action. Citigroup also gave Apple a buy grade, but with a hold action. Analysts have given Apple stock a strong buy rating, indicating a positive outlook. They have given a strong buy rating for the PE ratio and price to book, suggesting favorable valuation. In terms of return on investment, the analysts have also given the stock a strong buy rating, highlighting its potential for profitability. Today, we'll be discussing the signals identified for Apple's stock. The Apple stock currently holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, which is a positive sign for the stock's future. Additionally, there is a general buy signal based on the relation between these two signals, where the short-term average is above the long-term average. In case of corrections downwards, there will be support from the lines at $191.52 and $191.17. However, if the stock breaks below any of these levels, sell signals will be issued. Moreover, there is a buy signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD. However, there have been some negative signals as well, which may have an impact on the stock's short-term development. A sell signal was recently issued from a pivot top point on Thursday, December 14, 2023, resulting in a 1.99% decline so far. It is expected to fall further until a new bottom pivot is found. It's worth noting that volume rose on falling prices yesterday, which could be an early warning sign. It's recommended to closely monitor the stock in light of this information. Today, I want to share some interesting signals with you. Let's start with the Moving Average Convergence Divergence, which is currently giving a buy signal. Another signal to consider is the pivots, which gave a sell signal 28 days ago. The Bollinger Indicator also provided a buy signal 14 days ago. Looking at short-term moving averages, we have a buy signal that occurred 7 days ago. Similarly, the long-term moving average also gave a buy signal 6 days ago. Furthermore, the relation between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 2 days ago. Examining the 12-month chart, we observe a buy signal for the short moving average 6 days ago. However, the long-term moving average provided a sell signal 8 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages also generated a buy signal 43 days ago. If you want to explore more signals, visit our page at StockInvest.us. Today, let's talk about support, risk, and stop loss for Apple. Apple's stock has found support from accumulated volume at $188.63. This means that there may be a buying opportunity as the stock is expected to react positively when the support level is tested. When it comes to trading this stock, it's important to note that it usually has a good volume and experiences minor daily changes. Therefore, the risk is considered to be low. Looking at the recent performance, the stock had a price range of $3.15, 1.63%, between its high and low in the last day. Over the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 1.39%. Before we discuss potential trading levels for Apple, let's start by understanding some essential fundamental data. Firstly, it's important to consider the price-to-earnings ratio, or P/E ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. This P/E ratio is within a normal range, which is commonly observed in businesses with established track records or predictable revenue streams. Now, let's turn our attention to the upcoming earnings report for Q4 2023, which is scheduled to be released on February 1, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates are projecting earnings of $2.08. It's important to closely monitor these figures, as they can significantly impact stock prices. Today, let's take a closer look at some day trading levels for Apple. If we observe an upward trend, the first resistance level for Apple stands at $197.57. If you currently don't own any shares, it might be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before considering a position. However, for those who already hold the stock, this level could be worth considering for swing trading opportunities. On the downside, Apple encounters its first support level at $188.63. If this support level holds, it could potentially serve as a favorable entry point, with the anticipation of a rebound. According to multiple analyst sources, Apple has a strong buy rating on average. Now, let's dive into some recent insider trades. On November 29, 2023, Kondo Christ sold 5,513 shares of Apple's common stock. On November 16, 2023, Adams Catherine L. sold 123,448 shares of Apple's common stock. On November 16, 2023, Adams Catherine L. bought 123,448 shares of Apple's common stock. On November 17, 2023, Adams Catherine L. sold 123,448 shares of Apple's common stock. On November 10, 2023, Kondo Christ sold 4,806 shares of Apple's common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, the insider power ratio is calculated to be negative at -21.387. Overall, insiders have purchased 2,434,113 shares and sold 4,040,792 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss for this stock is set at $188.78, which represents a decrease of 2.78%. This stock typically experiences low daily movements, resulting in a lower level of risk for investors. Additionally, we have identified a sell signal from a pivot top that occurred 27 days ago. Is Apple stock a good buy? Based on several short-term signals and a positive overall trend, it appears that Apple stock may present a buying opportunity in the near future. Our analysis indicates that the current price of Apple stock is undervalued, considering its volatility in recent market movements. Looking ahead to Friday, January 26, we anticipate that Apple stock will open with a $0.348 increase, starting the day's trading at $194.52. Before we begin, it's important to note that trading carries a high risk of financial loss. We strongly recommend consulting a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Please be aware that StockInvest.us should not be your sole basis for investment choices. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept full responsibility for your own investment actions. Welcome to Stock Invest. Today, we want to share our current view of the stock. We value your opinion, so don't hesitate to comment below and let us know if you agree or disagree. We're also curious about your target for the stock. Make sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. We hope you have a successful trading day and a beautiful experience. Thank you for joining us here at Stock Invest.